All right, today we are diving into something that is a complete game changer for anyone, and I mean anyone, building a brand. We're going to explore how you can use Canva's AI to just supercharge your entire visual identity, from logos all the way to social media campaigns. And we'll be guided by the expert framework of Dr. Vernette Grant. So let's be real for a second. For most of us, entrepreneurs, creators, small businesses, this question probably hits pretty close to home, right? You've got the vision, you know what you want, but actually turning that into consistent, professional-looking visuals, well, that can be a massive drain on your time, your energy, and, of course, your money. And that right there, that's what we call the branding bottleneck. It's that super frustrating phase where all your great ideas get stuck because creating the actual content just takes forever. But what if you could take weeks of that design work and just crush it in a single afternoon? I mean, traditionally, this whole process has been a huge hurdle. It's the classic struggle, isn't it? You're either sinking countless hours trying to DIY it, which can lead to, well, let's just say inconsistent results. Or you're shelling out a significant chunk of your budget for designers, which just isn't always possible when you're starting out. Okay, but this is where the whole story just flips on its head. Let's move away from the problem and meet your brand new AI co-pilot, Canva's Magic Studio. And trust me, this isn't just another tool, it's a completely new way of working. So what is Magic Studio exactly? Well, as Dr. Vernette Grant puts it, you should think of it as this powerful suite of AI assistants. All you do is give it a simple prompt, a little direction, and boom, it generates a whole range of starting points for you. We're talking everything from social posts to entire presentations. And the versatility here is just wow, it's incredible. We are literally talking about everything you need to build a solid digital presence. You can instantly generate social media carousels, striking YouTube thumbnails, short-form videos for your reels, professional pitch decks. You can even get initial concepts for your brand's logo, all in minutes. So, the big question, how does this all actually work? Well, it's not just some random magic happening in a black box. It's a really clear, manageable four-step process that puts you, and this is the important part, you, in the driver's seat. It's actually pretty straightforward. You start with a clear prompt. Just tell the AI what you need. From there, it spits out a bunch of different design options for you to choose from. Now, this next step is the secret sauce for consistency. You apply your preset brand kit with a single click. And finally, you step in to refine and finalize everything, making those little human tweaks that perfect the layout and the message. And you know, this highlights such a crucial shift in how we should think about these tools. The real magic isn't just in generating a pretty picture, it's in how this AI completely transforms your entire workflow, turning what used to be a manual chore into a truly strategic process. I mean, just look at this transformation side by side. The old way, weeks of painstaking manual design often leading to visuals that didn't quite match. The new AI-powered way, you get a full, perfectly consistent content pack in a matter of hours, and you can take one single idea and repurpose it across tons of formats instantly. And that repurposing power is where a feature called Magic Switch becomes an absolute game changer. You can literally take one design, let's say an Instagram post, and with a click, instantly resize and reformat it into a LinkedIn graphic, a Pinterest pin, even slides for a presentation. A single idea becomes a full-blown, multi-platform campaign in seconds. It's wild. Now, with all this powerful automation, you might start to think, wow, is the AI just taking over? But that brings us to maybe the most important point of this entire conversation. This technology is not here to replace you, it's here to amplify you. The AI is your assistant, but you are the brand strategist. I absolutely love this quote from Dr. Vernette Grant because it just perfectly nails the ideal relationship you should have with this tech. Frame AI as your junior designer. Think about that. It does the initial legwork, it gets the ideas on the page, but you are the creative director. You're the one who approves, corrects, and makes sure the final output truly feels like your brand. So, your role actually becomes even more strategic. You're the one who sets the entire vision with the brand kit. You're the one guiding the AI with smart, strategic prompts. And most importantly, you're the one doing that final quality check, making sure every single piece of content is perfectly aligned with your brand's voice and vision. You are always the final approver. So, let's wrap this up with the same powerful question Dr. Grant asks her community. Now that you've seen what's possible, which one of these magic design features are you going to try first to accelerate your brand's growth? And hey, for more incredible, in-depth teaching and training on leveraging AI just like this, you should definitely subscribe to Dr. Vernette Grant's work. As you can see, the possibilities are pretty much endless.